What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to show you how to jump start this MDX Type S. So first thing you got to do, got to come in here and we're going to pop the hood with this little latch here. So next thing we're going to do right there, you can see that lever. You're going to put your finger in there. You're going to slide that to the left. Lift this up. Now if you look around, you will notice on this particular model there is no battery in the engine bay. So what we have here, we've got a positive lead. You flip this up right here from the side. So this is your positive lead. And if you notice right here, it says GND, which stands for ground, shows you an arrow, which points us to right here. So with your jumper cables handy, this is where you would be attaching your ground lead, right there. And this is where you'd be attaching your positive lead. So if you're looking around and wondering where is that battery located, the battery is actually located right here in this section. So to get to the battery, you just turn these little tabs right here and you pull up this plastic piece, and lo and behold, there is your battery. Thanks for checking out this video, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.